Many travelers headed south today haven't heard of it, despite the fact Canada's Public Health Agency has issued a travel warning. And this is chikungunya.
Okay.
Ever heard of it?
Never heard of it.
It isn't well known because the virus is a recent arrival to the Caribbean.
Is it Chikungunya?
It first showed up in the Caribbean last year. Now it has been found in every sun-drenched destination available. The virus typically causes fevers and joint pain that don't last very long, although in extreme cases, symptoms can linger for months. There is no vaccine. The best medical advice is to not get bitten by mosquitoes which spread the disease. It's estimated that 3 million Canadians travel to the Caribbean every year. So far, there have been only 210 confirmed cases. But doctors say there may be many, many more Canadians affected, people who have returned and recovered without being tested for the disease.
The interesting thing with this infection is that it never used to be in Central South America and the Caribbean, and in the last year, it's really become a very important cause of fever there. It's rarely fatal. This is not, the vast majority of people will have a fever for a couple of days. They might have a rash, and they'll have joint pains.
Chikungunya. Did I pronounce that right?
Now that Paul De Silva has heard of it, he's altering his plans to visit the Dominican Republic slightly.
I mean, at this point, all I could probably do is get a bunch of mosquito repellent when I'm there in order to prevent it. But, I mean, that's all I can do. It's not going to stop me from going there.
And doctors say it shouldn't stop anyone, as long as they are aware there is another travel bug to watch out for now when heading to many southern destinations. Howard Gould, CBC News, Toronto.